Lansinoh Lanolin Nipple Cream for breastfeeding moms, 1.41 ounces. Product details. Your breastfeeding must-have. Number 1. Doctor recommended. Our 100% natural nipple cream has been trusted by moms and healthcare providers for nearly 40 years to soothe and protect sore nipples. Ultra-purified and safe for baby. Never any petroleum, parabens, additives, or preservatives, so there's no need to remove before breastfeeding. Clinically tested and safe for sensitive skin. It also has no fragrance or taste for baby. Born from one mother's realization that birthing people often go without the support they need and deserve, Lansinoh proudly stands with mothers all over the world. Our journey started with award-winning, doctor-recommended HPA Lanolin Nipple Cream. Today, we offer a comprehensive collection of solutions to help new parents navigate pregnancy, birth, breastfeeding, and pumping. Our product range includes organic nipple balm, disposable nursing pads, washable nursing pads, breast milk storage bags, manual breast pumps and double electric breast pumps, postpartum essentials, baby bottles, and more.